You know, when I look at restaurants with a great view, good atmosphere, I'm missing one thing. There's one thing missing from this. And when I look at restaurants like this, the same thing. Great views, great restaurants. But the future of restaurant industry, in my opinion, is the Devour token. Creating that fusion. You have the restaurant between the blockchain. And when I see things like this, when you know you're on a winning team that's going to transform an industry, no question about it. Thank you for your kick-ass party and partnership. Food Fighters U, Devour token, the future of the restaurant industry. And when I see things like this as well, when you're saying things like branding create ways to reward employees, that's what I'm talking about in terms of the future of the blockchain. When I see views like this and like this, I'm like, you know what? The rewards of not only the employees, maybe even the customers, with a crypto ecosystem that helps everybody win. And Restaurant Token is on fire today. They are 5% of the day and it's just over $3 million in the market cap. This is a very underrated project token in my opinion. And let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. The industry NFT collection coming soon. This is gonna be real good and I can't wait. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. The restaurant industry that looks like this and had things like this when someone's dancing because he already know what time it is right now. Now, the Devour token has one of the best white paper in crypto. When you go to the white paper, not only you're going to get detailed information about the project, but you're going to get it in a style that I haven't seen it too much. It's almost like reading a book. You see when I'm turning those pages like this, I love this. And I can zoom in and read more information as well. You probably can do this on your cell phone, your mobile device. Just go ahead and swipe for the next information because the white paper is important when you're doing a project. So everything from the foundation, everything from the tokenomics, the roadmap, the team, everything is in here as well. Very nicely done. Now, the Devour token did a really good thing and they had a website that has everything that you need to know. The website, the white paper, Twitter, Discord. I love this because it's a good way of doing your research and understanding what the Devour token, where they're going as well. They have a Telegram group that's over 791 members. It's rocking and rolling in right now. So if you are new to Devour token or even to this industry, I advise you to go to the Telegram group and tell them that Adam sent you as well. Now let's continue going down the line here. Creating the fusion, restaurants between the blockchain. And when I look down here, this is where you get one brand focused on impact. Now this is some serious impact. If I'm sitting in a restaurant look like this and this, I want impact. Yes, I got the views, I got the atmosphere, but one thing I would like is rewards. You know, the customer, I want that special experience that I'm talking about. And one thing I think that the Devour token can do is these industry NFT collection. It's actually closing the gap and giving people something to be excited about. So when I see things like $3 million in terms of the market cap, which I see that a tremendous amount in the future and up 5% of the day, I'm just sitting here thinking like, you know what? It's just the beginning of something very special in the industry of restaurant and transforming it every day. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. You know what? I really feel like this not only a great idea, is a revolutionize, gonna change the game of restaurants because think about this. If I got reservations to a restaurant like this, why not get an NFT that's actually I have to get that make me feel exclusive? Why not NFT? Or you know what? The Devour token does have tokenomics. Why not necessarily reward your employees with tokenomics? Maybe with tokens, coins, or something like that. So there's a lot of ways you can do this. And it doesn't have to be the luxury restaurant. It could be your basic fast food restaurant or restaurant in a hotel, restaurant on a boat or casino. You can actually do partnerships with that. So many ways you can go to this because one brand focus on impact. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.